What are the three takeaways from Campus Connect Hub 2024?
I think the hub provided that space for one-on-one interactions.
Meaningful conversations. Thirdly, it would be the opportunities to collaborate for the larger interest of the student community.
Group sessions. It was totally a kind of a different experience. I had this 3 sessions. Group sessions was really fantastic, very brainstorming.
Building strong relationships, meaningful conversations, and new connections.
Interpersonal relation, really good to connect. So the networking was very strong. Entire way it was organized. The way it was put, you had fun elements to it. That is something I really enjoyed.
Networking. I get to know a lot of universities that I haven't met earlier, and some though I had met, but I haven't met them in a long time, so I could reconnect with them. Knowing a lot of counselors and taking exchanges from them as well. So both from school and university perspective, it was a great event to be part of.
Major thing that I really liked were the focus group discussions. They were very helpful. The knowledge transfer that happened during the focus group discussion was amazing.
Meeting with the university representatives one-on-one has been a master stroke because we got to spend quality time with them.
Learning, networking, getting to know so many new people.
One is the feeling of the closeness, learning with having fun, obviously. The connection that I've built with you guys, the Campus Connect team and the university and the other counselors.
From a student, and what a counselor wants to put into a student and an application, how do we want to build the profile of a student. That's what this whole thing was for me. Try and build up my applications the way we have been expecting it to.
Connections which will last longer because we get that quality time to spend with the university representative. And one is collaboration, one is connections, and the last one is mindful.
Right from the very start, the warm welcome we received, the one-on-one personal interactions.
So I think it was engaging, it was extremely collaborative and really intimate for me. I think they were the one-to-one conversations were really meant for good connections, and that's what we were able to do.
The first one would definitely be collaboration. The second one is having meaningful time with universities. And the third one is definitely networking.
A lot of collaboration, communication between the school and the universities, and of course a lot of knowledge sharing.
Connections, deeper collaboration, understanding, and more understanding, I would say, of the universities that I have.
What is Campus Connect to you?
Campus Connect to me is a team of extremely warm people who are very, very impact driven.
I think Campus Connect is all about the interpersonal relations that you built out here with the core team members. I think they are always available to help you out in every way. So I think coming from a different city to Bombay and getting attuned with everything and making the journey smooth, it's the best part that Campus Connect has done.
In simple words, it's a learning capsule with entertainment intact.
So Campus Connect brought me like a lot of exposure. A lot of learning that happened for me in the hub.
The eye for detail in organizing this has been very, very impressive. We've been very well taken care of.
And share ideas as well as challenges. And that's where I realize that we do have to be very mindful as well. Sometimes we just go monotonously about our work and we really don't think things from the other person's perspective. So I think it opens our eyes both ways, a university representative as well as counselor, to see, how things work from the other side and be more mindful of each other. And that experience we can't get in other places.
Campus Connect, it's been an absolutely brilliant experience, and I've learned so much. I would like to believe I've grown as a counselor. I've been to a lot of conferences this year, and Campus Connect has definitely been one of the best I've attended. So thank you for that.
I think Campus Connect to me is a great team that put up a really good event for us and collaborated very well through the entire event, very well organized. So thank you.
So the Campus Connect has placed the counselor at the heart of this hub. And by doing that, it is empowering the school counselors and also enhancing the connection between the schools and the universities.
We are not just meeting as a university and a counsellor, it is understanding as educators, we all are understanding what is the requirement of our students and trying to find a middle ground to have solutions for them.